Can enjoy the sound of the ocean. Hello everyone. Hola from Puerto Rico. Look at that view. This is our view from our Airbnb in the penthouse level.
Our little studio on the penthouse level. Hi everyone.
Hello.
It's hot out here. It's glorious.
Made it here. I think we're going on maybe 2 hours sleep.
Maybe. That'd be generous.
Yeah. And we certainly got our miles in. They only redirected our gate 4 times in Miami. So we went from gate 6 to 41 to 43, back to 41 to 8, and then to 10.
Yes.
Yes, it was fun. So
it was fun.
It helped us stay awake.
Stay awake.
Yeah.
But I won't tell them what we had in the meantime while we were waiting for the very last warning.
No, we were good. We were really good.
And for that reason, we are truly grateful for these opportunities.
Yes.
So, it's just glorious to be back here in Puerto Rico again. Oh,
and it's way hotter.
It's
August
hotter.
Is way hotter than November.
Well,
in Puerto Rico.
It is August, but you look at the pool and how close it is to the ocean there, and I'm going to be in the ocean, I tell you that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
There's the pool and there's the ocean. Yep. We're going to get our iodine in for sure while we're here.
Yes.
You didn't pack any, did you?
I did, yeah.
No, that's my iodine.
I got the whole store in there except my glutathione is all over the place.
Yes, so we are here and we're feeling the love. We're feeling the love of the sun, the heat from it, the warmth, getting our dose of vitamin D.
Yeah.
And we are so grateful. Can you tell? Haven't slept?
We're tired. We're delirious, but we're deliriously happy.
Yes,
oh my goodness, just abundance.
And love and gratitude are the highest frequency, and not only when you magnify those feelings, they amplify.
Yes.
And it comes back, not 10, 100, 1,000-fold. Oh, sorry.
It's all right.
Yeah, I got this little bug that's wanting to keep coming at me. I don't know. I don't even know what it is to go look it up.
Yes.
Yeah. But no, we're just about to head out and meet up with Dr. Ben and Daryl and Lori and Connie and Zane and all the people that are here. And to get done what we need to so we can just continue to have fun and live our best lives. So, as I always say, look at what's stopping you. What stops you from living your best life, right? Move it out of the way. Go around it. If it's too heavy to move, go around it.
Find a way.
Find a way, exactly.
That's right.
Find a way.
Yeah.
What do you think, Kathy?
Oh, I think it's just amazing. I think you have to get back to nature and just ground yourself and be forever grateful for what God gave us here and get back to the basics. So even though we're back to the basics, I want to put my feet in the sand and in the ocean. And then
I want
maybe
to try one of those sand scrubs.
Oh yeah.
That Daryl does.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. We bought our scrub brushes, but maybe we'll do the sand scrub one of the days too.
Yeah. Well, we'll try both.
Yes, exactly. Go back with nice, supple, beautiful skin.
It's amazing.
It is. And on our way here, I was thinking, it's getting a little confusing because in less than 12 months, this is my 4th trip. And, again, a couple years ago, I could have never imagined a life like this. I couldn't.
No, who would ever thought we've been flying away to Puerto Rico in a matter of, 9 months? Yeah. All the old stomping grounds. I can't wait to get back out there again.
Gonna go get some yucca fries.
Yucca fries and mofongo. Can't wait.
It. All right. Well, like you can tell, we're a little giddy and a little low on sleep. So we're going to go grab some food. Just wanted to touch base, tell you guys that we love you and that don't let anything stand in your way. Do what needs to get done. If you can move the block, move it. If you can't, go around it. But start. Choose to live your best life.
Yeah.
And if you're stuck, well, we're going to be doing the BraveHeart Healing Circle in Barrie in November. Sign up for it. Let's get those chokeholds undone so you can get on with your best life. So you can call me at 705-828-2257 or go to braveheartnation.com and all the information's there. Have a beautiful day. I'm just going to turn this around so you can see this gorgeous view, the sun. Oh my goodness, it's just amazing.
Can you feel the heat?
Yes. Well, and look at we'll get to see the sunset. We'll have to figure out how to see the sunrise, but the sunset's right there. Anyway.
Well, we'll be on the beach to see the sunrise.
That's it. That's it.
Right.
Love you guys. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you. Bye-bye.